Hello, I'm Pedro, and I'm excited to present my design journey using a powerful set of AI tools that assisted me in various stages of this project. From the start, I followed a structured process, utilizing different AI tools at each step to enhance efficiency and creativity. Our journey began with the project brief. I used QoQo to unpack various aspects of the project. I described the challenge and provided information about the audience, and QoQo generated what you're seeing on the screen, with minimal handmade adjustments on my end. Next, I needed to understand the users of the app, so I combined ChatGPT and QoQo to create a detailed persona, exploring their behaviors, their needs, to clarify opportunities for this project. With user insights in hand, I turned to ChatGPT to analyze similar apps in the market and identify their advantages and negative aspects. And we did not stop there. We delved into competitor designs to extract valuable UX lessons. And of course, analyzing our competitors was not enough. We're talking about heavy social media users. So we needed to analyze famous apps such as TikTok, Instagram, to uncover their secret sauce. And now that I had enough information, it was time to ideate. So I used QoQo to generate a user journey map, including thoughts, potential difficulties, and opportunities. And armed with these insights, I used FigJam's AI to quickly draft a user flow and combined it with ChatGPT to come up with the specifications for each screen. Then I had everything I needed for the wireframes. So I used UIzard to create it. Initially, I provided the description and the app steps, and it generated the initial flow. Then I refined the screens, giving feedbacks, asking for changes, till it reaches the final version. In theory, I could just convert the wireframes into the final interface in the same project using UIzard. But to be honest, the initial results were not good. So I decided to start a new project in UIzard and upload the wireframes from the previous project. And it worked. This time, the results were much better. It was time for me to take the wheel and get my hands dirty. So I moved it out to Figma and I was ready to start refining the prototype. And of course, I also got some help from AI tools in this step. Most images were made by MidJourney, and every time I wanted to have a better label for a button, for example, ChatGPT was on my left monitor for that. Well, let's check the results. Gamified elements are integrated in the flow from the start, such as life counter, score points, and I also replicated familiar interactions from popular apps, such as swiping to move to the next content. I gave special attention to animations and micro interactions to keep users engaged. And after each answer, the user finds not only the feedback, but also recommended videos that mimic social media visuals and also the one-click access to further content. Social interactions are also present in this journey, allowing them to share questions with friends and expand their experience beyond the quiz. And at the end, we celebrate the test completion with them, and they can receive badges as a reward for their achievements. And of course, for highly motivated and goal-oriented teenagers, nothing better than adding a competitive edge, right? Well, with the prototype ready, it was time to plan the user testing phase. So I told ChatGPT to act as an expert, crafting a complete and comprehensive testing plan. It was pretty interesting that most of the questions GPT asked were answered basically by the research in the initial stages of this project. And with that, ChatGPT delivered a very good user testing plan. And here's where this journey concludes, with a very cool prototype and lots of learnings that will remain. I hope you enjoyed this story as much as I enjoyed working on this challenge. See you!